you doing, guys? And welcome back. And we're for another adventure tonight, but this time it's a dancing adventure. Like you guys, if you guys follow me on social media and Instagram and Facebook, I've been advertising that today, Saturday night, it's the party going down at Miccosukee Casino. And you guys want to go? Come along. It's free. Party all night until 12 o'clock. You know, so come by and say what's up. And I have my main star right here. She's coming along today to dance, right?
Assistant.
Oh, assistant DJ. Woo! All right, guys, and like you see, we're in the merchandise, so if you guys like it, go ahead, go to www.frescochannel.com and purchase yours and support the channel and look fresh, look cool while you're at it. All right. If you guys don't know where Miccosukee is on 8th Street and Chrome Avenue down south in Miami. So come hang out, have some fun at the nighttime. So we here at the Miccosukee, ready to have some fun for Mother's Day weekend. And those who come, let's come party. Those who didn't, let's try to make it next time. We'll be here, I think it's every other Saturday. So not this one coming, and the other one we should be here again. So if you're here in Miami, come visit, party for free. Alright, guys, and we're ready for tonight to get the party started. Let me give you guys a quick glance of the place before everybody gets in. Check it out. You got super VIP up there. Then you got Big Mama chilling. Then you got the stage for the band over there. And you got the bar right there for all you drinkers. I don't know if you can see it, the bar right there for all your drinkers. And we got all the lights up in there. And a little snack bar over there. And then the DJ right here. And we're ready to rock the night. Hope everybody can make it, and let's have some fun. Oh, the single lady.
DJ Fresco.
Se acabó.
Game.
All right, so that was the party for the night, and now it's still early, and we're hungry, and we're gonna go eat our favorite place.
IHOP.
You hop, I hop, we both hop. We're hippity hoppity. So, oh, I like those white pants. Can I borrow them? If you guys came out here to Mikasugi to hang out with us, it was fun. It was a fun night. It turned out to be pretty good after all. The beginning was a little scary, but a lot of people started showing up. It was a good night. Oh, I like your shoes. What's new? Gotta get that food. Gotta get that midnight munchies, right? You woke up, huh?
No, not really.
Yeah, you woke up.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Hey, what's up?
How are you? I'm doing good. Name is Juan. I'll be taking care of you. Can I get you any orange juice or lemonade?
También. Choices. So many choices. Right? Too many choices. Too many choices. Many, many more.
What are you having?
Right there.
Which one?
Sampler. That brings everything. What are you gonna have?
The big steak omelet.
The big steak almond. Good lord. Got the munchies for it. Freezing in here. This is what happens when we stay up late. We shouldn't be doing this, but she made me. She says the only way I go with you to the club is if you take me to IHOP afterwards. So I got stuck.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
Don't be lying.
Yes, you did.
I mean, I'm glad you did, but
She did.
it's Mother's Day.
Oh yeah, El Día de las Mamás. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Without them, us boys would be nothing. Wow, look at that mountain.
Thank you.
That's the camera?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You've been in the, you don't remember, but you've been on the camera before.
I'm proud of you. Okay. All right.
I think you had hair though.
Yes. Ponytail?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was like maybe 2 or 3 years ago. So we're gonna have here, what are you having?
A white omelet with
With almonds.
spinach and onions and mushrooms.
And hot sauce. And this is mine. Okay, that's hers. This is mine. This is mine. And that's, guess what that is? Half mine, half hers. It should be all mine because it's my size.
That's half us.
So look at the strawberries. Look at that. Wow. And it's crunchy too. Look, crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Oh my god, it tastes just like I used to make them. Crunchy on the side, whatever. You want some hash brown? Look at that. Oh. Enjoying life, huh? With that midnight snack.
Échale un poquito en esta puntita. Ya.
You gotta fill every little hole. If not, it don't taste good. That's the trick. Oh, you got how that. You got how that sound. You got how that.
¿De dónde tú?
So that's that midnight snack that I got forced to eat.